Hi everyone, my name is Amelia Conti, and today I want to talk to you about a scientific topic that is very important that I feel very passionately about, which is photovoltaic cells and how we can make them more efficient. So a photovoltaic cell is something like a solar panel that's on someone's roof. They use the sun's light in the form of photons to produce electricity directly. This electricity can be used for many different purposes, from powering the charger that charges your cell phone to powering the lights that light up your bedroom. It really has a variety of uses. And the nice thing about photovoltaic cells is that they don't use some controversial form of energy like fossil fuels to power them. It's just the sun's energy, which is absolutely fantastic. Now, because of the depletion of non-renewable energy resources and increasing energy use globally, it's really important to explore this type of renewable energy, especially photovoltaics. In the United States alone, last year, about 10% of the energy that we used came from renewable resources, which is totally great, but that number is only expected to increase in the coming years because of the need for energy globally. So it's really important to investigate how to use these resources like photovoltaic cells to provide the world with the energy it needs. Now, despite the need for renewable energy, photovoltaic cells right now aren't exactly as efficient as we'd like. They convert only about 11 to 15% of the energy they actually receive to electricity. But a lot of researchers have dedicated their time to trying to find a way to make them more efficient. One means that they have of doing this, which I find really cool, is organic photovoltaics. Now, most photovoltaics you'd see are made of semiconductors like silicon, and those are what help the sunlight be converted into electricity. In organic photovoltaics, it's small organic molecules that absorb the light and produce electricity. So photosystem 1 proteins, which you might recall from your biology classes, use energy from the sun to transfer electrons through plant cells, and these are the molecules that can absorb the sunlight and produce electricity in organic photovoltaic cells. Organic cells also would contain lipid molecules that act as a layer of support for these proteins. So using these natural molecules decreases the cost of photovoltaics to ensure that their use is practical, which is very important, and it also increases their efficiency. And despite the increased efficiency of these organic voltaics, because the lipid molecules they use are degraded pretty easily, a synthetic molecule that acts in much the same way as the lipids would make these cells much more efficient. These molecules, called block copolymers, are synthetic molecules that can mimic the properties of lipid molecules without being at such great risk of degradation. Researchers are working right now on finding a way to integrate these block copolymers and the photosystem 1 proteins into an increasingly efficient, cost-effective photovoltaic. And at least to me, this is super exciting news because it means soon we'll have even more ways to power our world. This kind of science is what will really help change the future, and it's something everyone should want to try to be a part of.